Today, let's get started with C# programming.
I will explain the structure of C# program with Visual Studio IDE. Visual Studio can be downloaded from Microsoft link. I have given the download link in the description box. After Visual Studio has been opened, click on Create a new project. I am going to create a console app, so I am clicking on Console app. Then click Next. Give a project name. You can specify the location where the project has to be created. Click Create. A skeleton will be created by the IDE. At the start of the file, we have namespace names. Namespaces that are used in the program are specified here. Each and every statement in C# program ends with a semicolon. If you move the mouse over the namespace system, you can see a small box that says that system is a namespace. Next, we have namespace name for our by default the namespace name and the project name which we give during project creation will be same. The project name is demo project. The same name is given to namespace. Then we have class name. The class name will be program by default, and the file name C# file name is also the same, program.cs. CS stands for C#. And then we have main method. This is the starting point of program execution. Inside main, we have only one statement, that is console.writeline hello world. If you keep your mouse over console, then you can see that system.console is a class. So console is defined inside namespace system. If you hover, you can see system.console. So in order to use console and its methods, we have to use the namespace system. If we don't include, I'm deleting it. If we don't use it and if you try to compile or build, we get an error. The name console does not exist in the current context. If you are not including in the first, you have to give system.console. Then only the methods of this class will be identified. While discussing about main method, I told that this is the starting point of execution. So you can debug, step into, we can see an yellow arrow. We can see the program control, where the program control is. It directly comes inside the main function. So this is the starting point of program execution. Again I am giving step into, or you can press F11. So it goes to the next statement. Step into specifies which line executes next. So after coming inside, it goes to the first statement, system.console.writeLine, and this will print the string hello world, which we have specified inside the brackets. Again I am giving F11. So it came to the end of the program, end of main method. If you see the output, you can see hello world. You can exit the output window. You can exit the console using that close button.
Hope you liked the video. Continuation of C# programming will be released in upcoming videos. Thank you.